In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alarms from Google Calendar. We'll walk through creating an event and setting a reminder so you never miss what matters, all using the Google Calendar website. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. From the menu that opens, choose Calendar to launch Google Calendar in your browser. If you're asked to sign in, just use your Google account, and you'll land on your calendar view. Next, look for the Create button, usually at the top left. Click Create, then choose Event. This opens the Event Details panel where you'll set everything up. Give your event a clear, specific title, something that makes sense at a glance, like Project Review or Dentist Appointment. Clear titles make your reminders more useful when they pop up. Now set the date for your event. Click the Date field and pick the day you need. Right below that, set the time. Adjust the start time to exactly when the event begins. Accurate times ensure your alarm triggers when you expect it to. If other people should be included, add guests by entering their email addresses in the guest section. They'll receive an invitation and see the event on their calendars once they accept. You can also add a description. This is a great place for an agenda, addresses, links, or notes you'll want to see when the reminder fires. With the basics set, it's time to set up your alarm. In the event details, look for the bell icon. That bell controls your event reminder. You'll see a default value next to it, often 30 minutes. That means Google Calendar will send a notification 30 minutes before your event. Click that timing to adjust it. You can choose a different lead time that fits your needs, such as 10 minutes for quick heads-ups or 1 hour before if you want a longer runway. Pick the reminder that helps you prepare without rushing. A quick tip: reminders appear as notifications on devices where you're signed in and have notifications enabled, so make sure alerts are allowed on your computer or phone to hear or see the alarm when it's time. Once everything looks good, the title, date, time, any guests or notes, and your reminder timing, click Save. Your event is now on your calendar with the alarm set. When the reminder time arrives, you'll get the notification, keeping you on schedule. That's it. You've created an event, adjusted the bell icon reminder from the default 30 minutes, set it to the timing you prefer, and saved it. You're ready to use Google Calendar to stay ahead of your day.